Imagine you've just won a massive online gaming tournament. The prize money is sitting in your Paysafe account, but you want to spend it on something tangible. What do? Can you transfer your Paysafe funds directly to your debit card? Today, we're going to dive into that very question. Can you transfer money from Paysafe to your debit card? And if so, how? Let's find out. Understanding Paysafe. Before we get into the transfer process, let's quickly recap what Paysafe is. Paysafe is a digital payment platform that offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment solutions. It's a popular choice for online gaming, gambling, and other digital purchases. The challenge: direct transfer. So, can you directly transfer money from your Paysafe account to your debit card? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Paysafe doesn't offer a direct transfer option from its prepaid cards or e-wallets to debit cards. Alternative methods: cash out. But don't worry, there are still ways to access your Paysafe funds on your debit card. One popular method is to cash out your Paysafe balance. This involves visiting a Paysafe partner location, such as a convenience store or gas station. At the checkout counter, you can present your Paysafe card and request a cash withdrawal. The cashier will then process the transaction, and you'll receive cash in return. Once you have the cash, you can deposit it into your debit card account at an ATM or bank branch. Alternative methods: purchase gift cards. Another option is to purchase gift cards using your Paysafe balance. Many online retailers and physical stores offer gift cards that can be purchased with Paysafe. Once you have the gift card, you can use it to make purchases at the corresponding store or online. If you need cash, you can sell the gift card for cash online or at a gift card exchange store. Alternative methods: online casinos and betting sites. If you're using Paysafe primarily for online gambling, many casinos and betting sites offer cash-out options. You can often withdraw your winnings directly to your debit card or bank account. However, there may be fees or processing times involved. Fees and processing times. It's important to note that there may be fees associated with cashing out your Paysafe balance or purchasing gift cards. Additionally, processing times can vary depending on the method you choose and the specific terms of your Paysafe account. Security considerations. When dealing with financial transactions, security is always a top priority. Make sure to protect your Paysafe account information and avoid sharing it with anyone. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi for online transactions, and consider using a VPN for added security. So, while you can't directly transfer money from Paysafe to your debit card, there are several viable alternatives available. By understanding these methods and taking the necessary security precautions, you can easily access your Paysafe funds and use them as you see fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.